Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to fix Eriksholm the stolen dream crashing while playing the game or crashing at startup error on PC. So let's start. The first method is to restart your PC. For that, you simply click on Start option and click on Power and then select Restart option. This will restart your system, and once your device restarts, check if you can play the game. If not, then simply open Steam, go to the library section, select your game and then right click on Properties. After that, click on Install Files option, then tap on Browse, and this will open the game where it is installed. Simply right click on the game application and then select Properties. From here, click on Compatibility option and go below and click on Run this game as an administrator and then tap on Apply and OK. And then check if this works. If not, simply click on Disable Full Screen Optimization and then click on Apply and OK. And then check if the issue is resolved and you can play the game. If not, then click on Compatibility mode, that is run this program in compatibility mode for, and select Windows 8 and then click on Apply and OK, and then check if you can play the game without any error. After that, if this doesn't work, then simply go to Steam, right click on the selected game, select Properties, click on Install Files and click on Verify Integrity of the game files. Once done, check if you can play the game. The next method is to allow Eriksholm the stolen dream through firewall. For that, you simply click on Windows Defender firewall in the search bar. Once it's opened, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender firewall option, and then you need to add the game over here and select it, and after that click on private and public boxes and then check if this solution works for you to fix the issue. The next is to update your graphics card. For that, you simply go to the search bar, write Device Manager, open it, and here you simply need to go below and expand Display Adapters. Here you can see your graphic card. Select it, right click on it and click on Update Driver option. And from here you need to select Search Automatically for Drivers option. This will search the best drivers for your device, and once it's updated, check if now the crashing issue is resolved. Or you can go through the website that I have given in the description. Simply you can update your graphics card from there. Next method is to modify launch option. For that, again go to Steam, select the game, right click on it, select Properties, and here under General you can see the launch option. Here write D-TX11 and then check if this works. Otherwise, simply write -TX12 and then check if this works for you. The next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, you simply go to the search bar, write Graphics Settings, open it, and this type of interface will open. Here you can see Add an App option. Simply add desktop app, select the game application, click on Add. This will add your game as you can see here. Simply click on the icon and here you need to select high performance and then check if this setting resolves the issue and you can play the game without any problem. The next is to close all the unnecessary background tasks that is running. So for that you simply need to click over here, select task manager, and under process you can see those apps which are running or not of use. Simply select them and right click over here and select end task. This will close the game and hopefully the game you are trying to play or getting the error will be resolved. Next is to need to check your Windows is updated or not. For that you need to click on the search bar, simply type check for updates option and Windows update will be seen. Here you need to check if there is any update available. If yes, then simply click on check for updates and update your Windows to the latest version and then check if this works for you. The next is to install Visual C++. For that I have given the link in the description. Simply go through it and according to your PC you should download and install the files, and after that you need to check if you can play the game. Otherwise the last option is to reinstall the game. For that you simply need to go to your Steam folder, under library select the game, right click on it and select manage, and then you need to select uninstall option. This type of pop-up will occur. Simply click on uninstall and the game will be removed from your PC. Once done, again reinstall the game and then check if you can play the game without any kind of problem. So I hope all these solutions has resolved the issue you are facing while playing the Eriksholm The Stolen Dream game on your PC. That's all for now. Thank you.